least favorite part?
You can put some puss in there too.
This is my third time changing it. I hate doing it every time.
Why?
Look at him. Why? Because he's not a motherfucker. At least he's a happy dog.
Mm-hmm.
There. Once it's off, he goes crazy and tries to lick the shit out of it. It's so annoying.
Yeah. Should almost be healed though.
Oh, we hope.
They said 2 weeks it should be healed.
Yeah. What are we on?
Or a week. We're almost at a month. We're on the 3rd week.
No, because I've only changed it 3 times, and I do it every
Every
3 to 4
5 days.
I do 3 to 4 because he gets wet. So I did it 3, and then. No, see, look, still blood. Looks pretty fresh. When did we even get him?
The 6th.
Do you remember that? Can't remember to get me a card.
Fuck you.
I'm kidding.
You're a piece of shit. Because we were supposed to get them Monday, but you got them Tuesday or something.
Oh, look, it slid off. Ah. Okay, puppy though. I'm sorry. There you go. Oh, it looks so much better. Can you see it? Don't get mad.
Yeah. See, it's still moisture. That should be scabbed.
I don't know if I should spray alcohol on it. I don't really have to clean it. I only do it when he licks it.
You don't need to. You can if you want.
But if he goes crazy and starts licking it, I got to. And then he stops. Like, this stuff stinks.
Mm-hmm. That's how much you're supposed to put on?
Yeah, lots. Lots. This is just gel. It, like, helps it heal, right? It's like a...
What
keeps
the
it
fuck?
moist.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Usually you want something to dry, though, right?
No. This is just... And Kira's getting mad.
You gonna put some puss in it?
Stop it.
Mm-hmm.
Stop it. Okay, he doesn't like this because it's cold. Yes! Look at his face. What the fuck are you doing to me? Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
What? You just got my fucking text now?
Yeah, I didn't get any text.
I sent that hours ago.
Well, I didn't. Did it
Ow.
just pop up on my phone or something?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So
all fucking 3 of them.
Oh, wow. You think that's enough?
Oh, yeah. You're good to go.
And,
what the fuck? I sent that like 3 fucking hours ago. That's fucking terrible.
Ah! Don't run away from me. Look at your little paw. How about that? It's just loosely wrapped around, right? You don't want to put any pressure on it or else, you could lose a foot. Ooh. And
That's it?
missing tape. tape here somewhere. To tape it up?
I'm touching